Hello guys, welcome back. Sa video ito, ituturo ko kung paano mag-solve ng word problem sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay, let's start. For number 1, a box is 2x minus 3 by x plus 5 by 3x plus 1. What is the volume of the box if x is equal to 3 cm? Now, yung volume ng box, yung formula is length times width times height. So, multiply lang natin itong mga dimensions niya. Okay? Ito na. Multiply natin yung tatlo. Then, i-evaluate lang natin. Meaning, substitute lang natin itong value ng x dito sa ating equation. Okay? So, substitute lang natin yan. Yung 2x magiging 2 times 3 kasi yung x is 3. Then, minus 3, x plus 5 is magiging 3 plus 5. Okay, nalito natin yung x ng 3. Then, 3 times x is magiging 3 times 3 plus 1. Then, simplify lang natin. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. Then, simplify further. 6 minus 3 is 3. Copy lang. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then, multiply natin itong tatlo. 24 times 10 is 240 cubic centimeter. Then, for number 2, the formula for the area of the triangle is A is equal to B times H over 2. If the base B is equal to 10 centimeter and the height H is 6 centimeter, what is the area of the triangle? So, binigay na sa atin yung formula ng triangle. Is B over H, B times H over 2. Okay? Now, gagawin lang natin dito is, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga value nitong mga variable. Okay? So, yung B natin, yung base is 10, na? Yung H natin is 6, substitute lang. Then, yun na, simplify. 10 times 6 is 60. Siyempre, magiging centimeter squared na kasi cm times cm. Then, over 2. 60 divided 2 is 30. Okay, copy lang yung unit. So, ito na yung final answer natin. 30 centimeter squared. Okay? Okay, for number 3, the length L of the rectangle is x squared plus 2x minus 3. And the width W is 5x plus 4. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Now, yung formula ng perimeter ng rectangle is, kung naalala nyo, 2 times length plus 2 times width. So, yun lang. So, isa-substitute lang natin dito yung mga value ng length tsaka ng width. Now, ito na yung magiging itsura ng equation natin. So, itong length, sinubstitute lang natin dito. Yung width, substitute lang natin. Then, simplify. Okay? Distribute natin itong 2. 2 times x squared is ito. 2 times 2x, 2 times negative 3. Then, ito rin, distribute din natin. Then, simplify. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times 5x, 10x. 2 times 4 is 8. Then, combine like terms. So, ito, 4x and 10x, same silang x. So, combine natin. Then, itong mga constant, 8 minus 6. So, 4x plus 10x is 14x. Then, 8 minus 6 is 2. So, ito na yung final answer. Then, for number 4, from the sum of 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5 and 2x squared plus 3x plus 8, take away 5x squared plus x minus 5. So, from the sum, meaning i-add natin tong dalawa, then take away is subtraction. So, i-minus natin to sa total nitong dalawa. So, ganito yon. Okay? I-add natin tong dalawa, then i-minus natin to. Okay? Simplify lang natin. I-add muna natin yung dalawa. So, group natin yung mga like terms. Saan yung mga like terms dito? Yung mga x squared. So, yung x cube, wala siyang kapareha. Yung mga x cube dito. Then, yung mga x, so mag-isa lang yung may x dito. Then, yung mga constant, 8 minus 5. Then, simplify natin. Copy lang. 7x squared plus 2x squared is 9x squared. Then, copy lang yung 3x. Then, 8 minus 5 is 3. Then, sasubtract na natin itong polynomial na to. First, again, pag nagsasubtract tayo, i-distribute muna natin itong negative sign. Okay? Negative times 5x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative times x is negative x. Negative times negative 5 is positive 5. Lagi yung tandaan yan, pag negative times negative is positive. Pag negative times positive, negative yan. Then, group natin again yung mga like terms. So, 3x cubed, magsa lang siya, siyang ang grupo. Then, yung mga x squared. Ito yan. 9x squared and yung negative 5x squared. Yung mga x, 3x and yung negative x. Then, lastly, yung constant, 3 and 5. Then, simplify lang again. 9x squared minus 5x squared is 4x squared. 3x minus x is 2x. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, ito na yung final answer. Then, last natin, number 5. What should be added to 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7 to have a sum of 4x cubed plus x squared plus 5? So, ano daw yung i-add natin dito para magkaroon ng ganitong sum. Now, sabihin na natin A yung i-add natin. So, ganito yung tsura ng ating equation. So, mag-add tayo dito, then equal siya dito. Okay? Yung sabihin itong problem. Then, paano ba natin masosolve yung A? So, for example, meron tayo dito na para mas maintindihan natin yung problem. 4 plus a is equals to 5. So, what should be added to 4 to have a sum of 5? Now, obviously, yung sagot dito is 1. Okay? So, paano natin nakuha yung 1? Simply, sinubtract lang natin itong 4 dito sa 5. Diba? 5 minus 4 is 1. So, a is 1. Now, ganito rin yung gagawin natin dito. Meaning, isasubtract lang natin itong nandito dito sa kanilang sum para makuha natin yung a. Ito na yun, no? So, sasubtract natin to dito. Okay? Then, i-distribute natin yung negative. Negative times 3x cubed is negative 3x cubed. Negative times 4x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative times negative 7 is positive 7. Then, group lang natin yung mga like terms. Yung mga x cubed, yung mga x squared, and yung constant. Then, simplify. 4x cubed minus 3x cubed is x cubed na lang. X squared minus 4x squared is negative 3x squared. Then, 5 plus 7 is 12. So, yun na yung final answer. Okay? Sana marami kayong natutunan. Thanks for watching.